What if the part of you that craves power over others isn't a flaw, but actually one of your rarest strengths? Most people see that hunger and instantly think toxic, controlling, or narcissistic. They're missing the real story. Psychology shows that a strong drive for influence often signals deep, valuable traits that the world needs, traits that can create order, protect people, and build something meaningful when used well. Here are the 5 rare signs. You have exceptional strategic vision. Research indicates that people motivated by power excel at seeing long-term patterns and solutions others overlook. You don't just want control, you want things to actually work. Example: the colleague who always knows the smartest next step in a crisis. People call them bossy. In truth, they're the one preventing disaster. Reframe. Your craving is your brain saying, "I was made to guide and prevent chaos." That's leadership waiting to be claimed. You carry a fierce protective instinct. Studies show high-power motivation is often tied to a strong sense of responsibility to shield others from harm. You want influence, so the people you care about don't suffer the way you once did. Example: the friend who steps in during conflict to make sure everyone is heard, labeled dominating, but really it's deep loyalty. Reframe. Your hunger is your inner guardian asking to protect. That's strength, not selfishness. You possess hidden emotional intelligence. Psychology research reveals that many power-driven people read emotions and motivations with unusual accuracy. You see what others miss, and you want to steer it right. Example: the person who knows exactly how to calm a tense group or motivate someone who's struggling, called calculating, but it's actually empathy in action. Reframe. Your craving is your gift of perception, begging to heal and connect. Use it for good. You have rare resilience and purpose. Research links power motivation to exceptional bounce-back ability and a clear inner vision of how things should be. You refuse to stay powerless because you know how dangerous it is. Example: the person who builds systems after surviving hardship so others don't suffer like they did. Seen as power-obsessed, but really, it's survival turned into mission. Reframe. Your drive is unbreakable resilience wearing ambition's clothes. That's purpose. So here's the truth. If you crave power over people, it doesn't mean you're dangerous. It means you're probably carrying rare traits: vision, protection, perception, resilience, and purpose that the world needs more of. Stop hiding them because society called them bad. Start owning them and using them to create something meaningful. You're not power hungry, you're power responsible. And that's one of the rarest strengths a person can have. If this shifted how you see yourself, hit like and subscribe for more deep personality insights every week. Drop a comment. Which trait surprised you the most? I read every one. See you in the next video.